This is Batman's 3D printed Ninja Shuriken, the Batarang. Let's see if this toy is as dangerous as I think. I love Batman, and I think it's much cool character than, for example, Superman. Because he has no superpower.
What are your superpowers again? I'm rich.
So I decided to make his iconic weapon, the Batman Ninja Shuriken throwing knife, the Batarang. I drew a sketch and then I laid down lots of utility knife blades to see if it fits properly. When I was happy with the concept, I 3D modeled the plastic parts, I sliced the model and printed with my small 3D printer 2 times. I glued the blades between the 2 plastic parts and made some final adjustments. This Batarang, the roughly bat-shaped throwing weapon, is ready for action. I want to cook a chicken, that's why I have a chicken in my fridge. This meat will represent the enemy of Batman in my test. Gotham, Batman's city, will be my cellar because it's a dark and nasty place. Let's throw this Batman Shuriken and see if it's as deadly as I think.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
And as I throw this Batman Ninja Shuriken, I just cut my hand. Wow, I have to say until now, this is my most dangerous toy. I really like this project and I still have a lots of utility knife blades. And I have a lots of ideas, so stay tuned. I cooked and ate the chicken because I don't like waste food. I wish you happy printing. Thanks for watching.